Okay, let's dive into one of IT's most powerful tools, the virtual directory.
So, is managing user identity across all your apps and clouds just a total mess?
Right? Your identity data's everywhere, creating massive security and maintenance headaches. And trying to consolidate it all? Well, that takes years and costs a fortune.
But what if you could unify everything without actually moving a single piece of data?
That's the magic of the virtual directory. It's a smart layer, not another database.
It's a live proxy, not another data store with stale, copied data. It's all real time.
Think of it like a central hub for identity, one access point for all your applications.
And here's the kicker. It joins data from AD, databases, and apps instantly, on the fly.
Okay, now for the real-world superpowers. Let's start with mergers and acquisitions.
So you can instantly join or split companies. It's all about speed and agility.
It also solves another huge headache, managing multiple Active Directory forests.
You can authenticate across hundreds of them with zero trusts required. It's a game changer. Now, what's really cool is how this totally transforms your security. Get this, you can deploy a secure LDAP proxy and firewall in about 15 minutes.
You can add modern security, like MFA, to any app without changing a single line of code.
And when someone leaves, you can cut off all their access instantly, right at the source.
But wait, there's more. You can do things that are just impossible with Active Directory alone.
For example, you can create powerful new group types that only exist in this virtual layer.
These let you create incredibly flexible, real-time groups for security, reporting, you name it.
See, a virtual directory isn't just another tool. It's a whole new way of thinking.
It really makes that modern concept a reality. Identity is the new security boundary.
So the real question is, isn't it time to rethink your identity architecture?